Alrighty, for any triangle, you have angle B and its opposite side is B, angle C, opposite side C, angle A, opposite sides A. For a non-right triangle, you can use these two formulas to find their area. Now, where did the area come from? Well, let's look at this. You should all know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now, where do you get A and H? Right here. Isn't A your base and H your height? So, isn't that basically the area of any triangle? Okay, the problem is, what if I don't know my height, like right here? What if my height's missing? So what they're going to do here is they're going to make this up right here. Now, you might wonder, where the heck did they get this H equals? Well, what they did is, what they really did here is they said sine of C is equal to what? And if you look at sine of C, isn't the C right here? Won't sine of C be H over B? So wouldn't that be H over B? And then, if you multiply both sides by B, do you notice that this is now this? Then, hopefully you can see the next step. What they do is they take this right here and they replace H with it. And now you have this formula right here. Boom, done. Now, where would this one come from? Well, they're just using sine B now, and it would be height over C. Using the same method, you can slowly create this as C sine B. Just using the same ideas up here, if you use this angle instead, you could create this one. But really, what we care about is this formula right here. This is the area formula. This is just another configuration of it. All right, we want to find the area of this non-right triangle, and we have side, angle, side. And we're going to use this nice little formula to do that. It makes it a lot easier, right? Here's the proof of how we made this. We could also use this one, but I'm just going to use the one on top here. So to do that, I need a side, and an angle that is not opposite of these two sides. And we have that. We have a side, and an angle. So let's label it just to kind of make more sense here. I'm going to call this angle C. So if that's angle C, won't that be side C? Alrighty. Then I'm going to go over here and, okay, I'm going to call that angle A. So won't this be called side A? And lastly, I'm going to call this angle B. So over here, this will be side B. Now, is it necessary to label this every time? No. But to start with, we're going to label them to help you see the formula show its face. So do we have A, B, and angle C? Yeah. All right, let's plug it all in. So your area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Or, sorry, not actually. Base and height were created into this formula, so it's 1/2 AB sine C. Because this is the height. See right here? The height is this funky thing. Anyways, so let's find A, B, and sine C. And we use a calculator. So A looks like we have A is 15. B looks like it is 5. And sine C, well, C is 147 degrees. So if we simply plug all that in a calculator, hit enter, we have the answer. So our calculator would tell us the area, which would be 20.4. Now, what units is it? It says M. M stands for meters. And since it's area, those are square meters. So that would be your area using this handy-dandy formula. Now, it was nice that they gave us exactly what we needed. What would have happened if they didn't give you exactly what you needed? What you'd have to do is use law of sines and cosines to find missing sides and angles that you need to do this. And that happens. So be careful. If they don't give you the sides and the angle you need, you have to use law of sines and cosines to find them. And then you can plug it in to find the area of non-right triangle.